Want to disable Now Brief and Now Bar on your Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26? By default, Samsung shows Now Brief information on your home screen and lock screen, while the Now bar appears at the bottom of the lock screen and always on display with live notifications and updates. If you want to turn them off, here's how to do it. First, open Settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Here, you'll find the Now bar option. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of apps and live notifications currently allowed to appear in the Now bar. If you don't want the Now bar to show on the lock screen, simply turn off the option to hide those live notifications from appearing. Now go back and scroll a little further until you find Now Brief. Tap on it to turn it off to disable Now Brief on your Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or other supported Samsung Galaxy devices. Next, go back again and tap Always on Display. From here, you can also disable the Now bar on the Always on Display screen. Once turned off, the Now bar will no longer appear when your screen is locked. Now, when you lock your phone or tap the screen to wake the Always on Display, you won't see the Now bar or Now Brief information anymore. That's it! That's how you can easily disable Now Brief and Now Bar on the Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, and other latest Samsung Galaxy devices.